Yo guys, it is your boy Harry, and today we are taking a look at Bitunix, which is top crypto exchange platform. They have new user rewards and bonuses. You can easily trade top cryptocurrencies and altcoins and also future trading. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Alright, let's dive into something pretty exciting today. A crypto exchange that's been gaining serious traction lately, Bitunix. Now, if you've been around the crypto space, you know that having the right trading platform can make a huge difference. Bitunix isn't just another name in the space, it's built with real traders in mind. What makes it interesting right off the bat is the simplicity. The UI is clean, responsive, and it doesn't overwhelm you with a million buttons. Whether you're into spot trading or deep in the futures game, Bitunix keeps things smooth and efficient. It supports major cryptocurrencies. We're talking BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, and a ton more, with deep liquidity and tight spreads. And you know how important that is when you're trying to get in and out of trades fast. But there's more to this exchange than just a nice interface. Let's talk about bonuses. Because yes, Bitunix is giving out some serious perks to new users. So here's where it gets fun. If you're new to Bitunix, you're eligible for up to $500 in welcome rewards. Yep, $500 in trading bonuses just for signing up, verifying your account, and completing a few simple tasks. The process is super straightforward. You sign up with an email or mobile, complete basic KYC, and boom, you start earning rewards. There's a clear task center where you can see what to do, like deposit a certain amount, make your first trade, refer a friend, and so on. Each action earns you bonuses. And yes, there's a referral program too. Bring your friends in and both of you get rewarded. That's always a win-win. One cool thing, Bitunix also runs special trading competitions and campaigns with prize pools that go into tens of thousands of dollars. We'll get into that later, but just know there's a lot of value being handed out here. And of course, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Alright, let's get into the core trading features. First up, spot trading. On Bitunix, it's lightning fast. Whether you're buying Ethereum or flipping tokens like SHB or Doge, the order book is deep and the executions are reliable. Now, if you're a futures trader, you'll feel right at home. Bitunix supports USDT margin perpetual contracts with up to 125x leverage. Yes, you heard that right, 125x. But please, don't go maxing that out on your first trade. There's isolated and cross-margin options, a full P&L breakdown, and real-time risk metrics. So if you're serious about leverage trading, this is a professional-grade terminal without the fluff. It also has an intuitive charting system powered by TradingView, so you can draw, backtest, and plan your entries without ever leaving the screen. And the app experience? Surprisingly fluid, futures trading on mobile is seamless. Now let's talk about a feature that's perfect if you're just getting started or you want to trade like the pros copy trading. Bitunix has a built-in copy trading platform where you can browse through verified top traders, check their performance stats, and copy their trades with one click. No need to spend hours charting or second-guessing your entries. You can see a trader's ROI, win rate, trading frequency, and risk level before copying them. And it's not just for newbies, even experienced users use this feature to diversify or test new strategies passively. There's also a leaderboard that updates live, so you always know who's crushing it this week. You can follow multiple traders at once and manage your allocations anytime. Honestly, this feature alone makes Bitunix worth trying if you're short on time or want to learn by observing pros in action. Alright, now let's shift gears and talk about how Bitunix helps you earn passively. They've got a solid earn section where you can stake your assets or join savings plans. There are flexible and fixed options, so you choose whether you want higher APYs with longer lockups or more liquidity with lower returns. And yes, APYs can go pretty high, especially during special promotional campaigns. You'll find offers on USDT, ETH, BTC, and even trending altcoins. Everything is automated. Just select your coin, choose your plan, and you're earning. It's perfect if you've got crypto just sitting idle in your wallet. Why not make it work for you? There are also lawn pools and seasonal earn events that reward early participants. So it's worth checking in regularly, especially if you're a long-term holder. Let's get into the fun stuff, competitions and community rewards. Bitunix hosts regular trading competitions with big prize pools, sometimes over $100,000. You can join solo or as a team, and there are rewards for volume, PNL, and even for just showing up and trading a little. They also run flash campaigns, limited time tasks where you can earn bonuses for trying new features, following them on social media, or providing feedback. There's a full task center where all your available campaigns, rewards, and completed missions are tracked. So you're never left guessing. And if you're into referrals, this part's important. You can earn lifetime commissions from every friend you bring onto the platform. That's recurring passive income for something you're probably doing anyway. Now let's talk about security, because none of this matters if your funds aren't safe. Bitunix is a licensed and regulated exchange that uses industry-standard practices to protect your assets. We're talking multi-signature cold wallets, real-time risk monitoring, and strict internal controls. They've also integrated proof of reserves, so you can verify that your assets are fully backed, no shady business behind the scenes. And the platform has undergone security audits by top firms, plus their support team is super responsive if you ever need help. Add in two-factor authentication, anti-phishing codes, and withdrawal whitelisting, you've got a very secure trading environment here. It's clear Bitunix takes safety seriously. So wrapping things up, here's my take. Bitunix is one of those platforms that kind of sneaks up on you. It's clean, powerful, and packed with features that both beginners and pros can appreciate. You've got spot and futures trading with excellent execution, passive income options through staking and earn, and the bonus system is actually worth your time. If you're new, those welcome rewards are a no-brainer. And if you're experienced, you'll love the copy trading and high leverage contracts. But of course, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research, trade responsibly, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. See you in the next one.